Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today I've been looking at this Video8 Handycam, which I was given by a friend and asked to sort of look through the tapes and see whether there was anything really worth ripping off of them. Now, there wasn't just kids' birthday parties and footage of old churches with dry rot. There was a bit of porn on there, and the amazing things you could do with alphabetic spaghetti, absolutely amazing. But there was something really interesting. I thought was really interesting was the owner of this camera, I believe, has now died. He's gone, but I've got permission to actually publicly broadcast this from the family. Was helicopter footage and behind the scenes in the pits footage of the British Grand Prix, and I think about 1996 or 1997. I'm not sure when. I'm still trying to work that one out. So what I've done is I've ripped this using an EasyCap, a really cheap thing. The quality's not great, but I thought I'd share it. It's a really interesting sort of fly-in to Silverstone. And then some behind the scenes footage. It's never been seen before. These were private tapes. Certainly the porn was anyway. But there's other stuff in here. Let's have a look at this. The Trough of Bowland, Widdup Moor. We've got here Dry Rot Part 2, which is a church somewhere in Ipswich or somewhere, I don't know where. It looks like sort of Ipswich way. And there was dry rot in the church. We've got church dry rot here, more church dry rot. That one just says blank, and basically some more footage of some kids growing up and some babies growing up and children's parties, which I certainly wouldn't put out there. All of these tapes are going to be wiped completely, but this particular segment I thought was interesting enough for me to actually broadcast, and I do have permission. So yeah, these little cameras, you can pick these up for £40–50 or something like that, usually with other people's tapes. This one was given to me for free. And yeah, so enjoy the footage. Goes back to a time when I think safety was not so much of an issue. Some of it looks a bit weird, but yeah, let's have a look at the footage. school you were here.
I go to that 6th grade every year, yeah. Yeah, they changed the branding this year. So last year, it's still Rockingham, it's the lead sponsor, but it's just one of the brands, which is Bloomfield. I'm really annoyed with that.
We're going to buy a parallel machine off that. So 10 tickets. Sorry. Oh, that's it. We're going to get them. Music clinches the deal, Tony. And I'll give it us.
And it just is amazing. It's a bit their actual.
What they are basically is a team of instructors who are based at the School of Aviation Camera, and they in this.
What's this about to offer?